Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be talking about Super Mario Maker 2 on the Nintendo Switch. It retails for about $60, but for $10 more, you can get a bundle that comes with a 12-month membership to Nintendo Switch Online, which is a good deal because the membership alone costs $20. I decided not to go with that version because I already have an existing membership and the promo ruins the cover art in my opinion. I did purchase my copy at Target, but I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon if you're interested. If you purchase this game at Target, you get this Super Mario Maker 2 tin lunchbox, which is pretty cool. I believe it is exclusive to Target, but I'm not completely sure. If you want one, you should go get one as soon as possible because they only have limited supply. Once they run out, they're out for good. It's pretty much one of those tin lunchboxes, so you can pack your lunch and use it as a regular lunchbox or store anything you want. I think it's pretty cool, and this little collectible is what pushed me to purchase the game. Super Mario Maker 2 is definitely worth buying. The graphics are great and the gameplay is very smooth in handheld mode and in console mode. It's super fun and you will not get bored of it anytime soon. There is so much to do in this game. I really like the story because you basically have to play levels to earn coins so that you can rebuild Princess Peach's castle. In addition to the story, you get to create levels and play levels that other people have created. The possibilities are pretty much endless with the amount of blocks, power-ups, styles, and versions of Mario. And if you're a little overwhelmed with how much possibilities there are, don't worry. There is a lesson course that will turn you into a professional builder. You can also play with up to 4 players locally with one Switch and online play as well. If you're interested in purchasing this game, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video on Super Mario Maker 2 for this Switch and the collectible tin box. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!